The next step in repairing the drywall is after the first coat dries, you can see it's kind of rough, so just take your sponge here, your sanding sponge, and sand it till all the bumps are gone and it's pretty smooth. Just use a circular motion and you can see that soon everything is pretty smooth. Even the big globs come off pretty easily. Okay, that is in pretty good shape now. The only thing we might do, there's a few little imperfections and maybe I didn't feather it out over a long enough distance, so we're going to take one more coat of drywall mud. Here it is, I already prepared it on the knife. We're just going to lightly go over everything and you'll see it's a lot easier to smooth things this time. And it won't be nearly as thick. Just use a light touch. And just gently put it on. Need a little bit more. And if you're lucky, after this dries, it'll completely cover up the image of your boyfriend, and maybe you'll forget why you were mad at him in the first place. Okay, so the only thing left to do is let this dry. It shouldn't take nearly as long as the first coat because it's a lot thinner. And then we'll go over lightly sanding and maybe a little bit of texturing on the last trip to the camera land.